Orapi presents Relion. Relion is a premium polishing cleaner for aircraft interiors and furniture. It gives an outstanding shine to seats, desks, tables and cabinets. A ready-to-use cleaner. Shake the container before using. Apply Relion sparingly on the surface. Use a microfiber and gently wipe the surface with a light pressure to bring out luster. Dries to a non-greasy finish. Relion provides a long-lasting protection. It's suitable for all hard surfaces such as wood, laminate, plastic, polycarbonate, leather and naugahyde seats. Relion leaves a delicate fragrance on surfaces. Orapi, solutions for professional hygiene and industrial maintenance.